showing you how to make slippery surface for a puck on your driveway. Okay, first you'll need a driveway, a hockey puck, a hockey stick, and a hockey net. So we use a passer in this video. It's optional if you want. All you need is a puck, net, stick, and a hose. Me and Ryder were just playing around when I came back from the beach today, and we came up with an idea with the hose how to make it slippery so that it's like ice on a hockey rink. So what we have here, so you just pretty much need a hose. It doesn't matter what brand, what anything. So we used something to mount it on, like Ryder's sandal or something. We just used my sandal. So then we put it here, we grip it in, or you can use anything. You could use a book. Anything. Well, not a book, but pretty much anything you want. So you just have something to put the heel down on this thing. We need something, and put it, and then we have our passer here. So we just turn it on. Turn it on, and then it's working. It's working. See, it's going down, and then it's just a wet, slippery surface, right? Easy. See, right back in there. That's a really slippery surface. You have to wait a little bit for it to get wet, but once it starts going, then you can also just shoot on the nets here. So we'll show you some basic Let's things. Show Preston doing it. Basic things. Passes, shoots, shots, boom. Anything you can do. More advanced moves if you want. If you're working on your saucy passing, pass here, saucer it in. If you want, the passer's optional. You can do like an advanced toe drag, come in, pull it back, shot. Nope. Ryder's gonna show you some more advanced moves. Well, this is all with the passer, so even if you don't have a passer, you can just do some really quick stick handles. Yeah, stick handle, a nice grip. So as you can see, guys, now we're gonna show you just how slippery it is when the water kicks in. So I'm just gonna do a basic pass, and we're just gonna show you it gets super slow on the water, and that's not even on the water. I barely even tap this. Look at how far it goes. See? So that's right. So that's like the slippery surface. I know people may think that it gets caught up, but sometimes even when it's not hitting it, because you have to be in the middle for it to work, and just like it's so slippery, you can just go like that. And the difference between the pavement, so look, stick handle in the pavement. Try shooting. Try whipping the puck in the pavement. So like this. And now okay. So and now I'm gonna do that hard of a pass on the water, and slides perfectly. It slides perfectly. Here, watch the change. Watch the change. Stops right away. Right? And watch. Even if you don't have a passer, you can just do some little stick handles with a shot. The shots are perfect. It's kind of like that. This is a really good idea that me and Ryder made, just for people who need quarantining and stuff, because just the thing you can't get to the hockey rink. It's an easy way to practice, right? Like it's basically, and it's fun to do. It's a really fun strategy if you like hockey, and I mean, me and Ryder even if you're starting hockey, even if you're starting hockey, playing at the elite level, like going into development, anything, it's just a really easy way. Now, I'm going to do a time lapse with Preston of us passing and shooting and stuff, so let's do it. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Peace. Peace.